So, good afternoon, everyone. Today, we are here again to go through the case study of one of Isha's client. She is a clinical and performance nutritionist from Baner Wildfit. She is going to take us through the client's history and exactly what she had and the coach had done to be able to get the transformation in, and how is the client doing right now in the present. Isha, over to you.
Thank you, Anamika. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Isha Varikar, and I'm a clinical and performance nutritionist at Wildfit Bane. So, today's case study is about overcoming vulnerability to maximum strength, because Saurabh sir's journey has been such. He was a past recovering stroke patient. तो उनका लेफ्ट साइड का पूरा पैरालिसिस हो गया था. ही हैड नो टेस्ट इन द सेंस ऑफ जो भी वो खाना खा रहे थे उनको वो फ्लेवर्स समझ में नहीं आते थे. And workout was completely out of question at that point of time. Though I am sad to say that the coach will not be present to explain the case study today, so I will be completing all the nutrition part. I have kept a slide specifically for the from the coach's side majorly, जहाँ पे उन्होंने उनका थोड़ा सा description बताया है. Key factors, the pointers where he overcame certain values in terms of weightlifting. So, majorly, I will just start off by giving you an idea of the client profile. So, he is 45 years of age, now 46. Post stroke, elevated lipid profile. Main goal was muscle strengthening and conditioning, mobility of the left arm and leg also. But वो उन्होंने तब mention नहीं किया था. So, अगर history देखते हैं उनकी, तो he was kind of a corporate worker with almost 9 to 10 hours of work in front of him. सडनली एक दिन उनके लाइफ में ऐसे एक छोटी सी क्लॉट विच ट्रेवल टू हिज ब्रेन एंड काइंड ऑफ कॉज द स्ट्रोक. ही डिड नॉट नो व्हाट हैपेंड, क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ. देयर वाज नो हिस्ट्री और जेनेटिकल हिस्ट्री फॉर दैट मैटर इन हिज हाउस, बट ही यूज्ड टू लिव ऑन हिज ओन. तो it became a bit difficult. He got a bit depressed because there was no way to help him. But that was kind of the starting point where he decided and visited Wildfit. He took the first consultation with Ankit sir, and then he met me. So I kind of set his goals in terms कि उनको basic बात करने से लेके उनका point of view explain करने से till what and whatever he is having for his food. ये सारा discussion हमारा हर counseling में रहता था. So the main case conductor right now is only me. Like I said, the coach is not available right now. So my primary focus with Saurabh sir was to enhance his strength and mobility by actually a proper nutrition approach which was suggested for his physiotherapy recovery and his fitness. So alongside his consistent training, nutrition in his part played a huge key role for his progress. So majorly a diet rich in high quality protein and healthy fats was majorly incorporated to support his muscle recovery, strength, and overall mobility. So this balanced approach ensured steady progress, helping him regain control, confidence, and resilience in his upcoming fitness journey. So, if you see, the changes in terms of muscle gain were only calculated for the time being. We later put his goal as fat loss because his weight was also increasing. So, whenever आप आपका goal strengthening या फिर muscle gain रखते हो, we cannot expect fat to be lost in that process. So his first and foremost goal was recovery and conditioning. So that is what we focused on. So majorly इनका अगर आप progress देखते हो, तो I had added protein sources like eggs, paneer, chicken, fish, whey. Then we were also adding turkey once in a while because sir likes it. He had added duck breast also in his diet because he found it fresh in the market and he also likes to have it. So, with this specific protein intake, we did see his muscle recovery, mobility, improve whole these. Along with that, majorly the challenges उनको आ रहे थे, they were mostly due to the paralysis जो हुआ था. So, majorly inability to walk, then severe muscle atrophy, and a highly impaired motor neural pathway was the main cause and the problem which he was facing. So these conditions greatly impacted his mobility, coordination. So balance and stability was also a key point here, which actually the coach focused on in his training. Along with that, the timeline which we see was kept a bit longer. It was not a specific timeline because this is never a डिफाइंड टाइमलाइन बिकॉज एज हमको बहुत चीज़ों पे साथ में काम करना था. हेंस सर कुड एक्चुअली डू इट एट हिज ओन पेस, हिज ओन हाउ डू आई से his own time where he did not have to stress about it too much कि अब इनको ये सारे गोल्स यहाँ पे अचीव करने हैं, ये यहाँ पे गोल्स अचीव करने हैं या फिर एक्सेट्रा गोइंग अलॉन्ग. चेक पॉइंट्स फर्स्ट वॉज मोबिलिटी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ही उनको कितना पुश करना पॉसिबल है उनके स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग में, along with walking because walking also became a task. So the coach had actually started him doing walking laps, then reverse laps, and then actually on the treadmill and the curve mill. So now, majorly, if we see the overview of nutrition, Sir used to have 3 meals daily, majorly non-vegetarian because he liked having meat in his diet along with fish many a times. So that actually ensured a really good protein-rich diet for him. His appetite was strong, but because there was a disadvantage that he was not able to feel the flavors, majorly उनका taste का sense थोड़ा सा कम हो गया था, almost to none था. तो he was kind of overeating in between. तो वो हमने उनका kind of बीच में correction किया था. That along with him having no dislikes made or allowed me to make a very flexible plan for him. Physical activity अगर देखते हैं तो he almost had reached intermediate stage. Then he had to take a break because of all the blood test, all the neurological tests which he had to get done. And then we started again on a beginner intermediate level for him. स्ट्रेस एंड स्लीप की अगर बात करेंगे तो मेजर स्ट्रेस वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ लेस स्लीप बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू स्लीप बिकॉज ऑफ द पेन. तो ही यूज टू टेक नैप्स इन बिटवीन and majorly that kind of got him to 7 hours of sleep from almost 4 hours of sleep. So that was a really good key factor for him, which actually allowed him for good quality sleep, supporting his metabolism and for muscle repair as well. मेडिकेशंस उनके मेजरली डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब्ड ही थे, अदरवाइज इट वाज ऑलमोस्ट नो मेडिकेशंस आफ्टर अ वाइल. इनिशियल फेज में उनको ऑलमोस्ट 5-6 मेडिकेशंस लेने पड़ते थे, बट वंस ही जॉइंड वाइल्डफिट ही वाज नॉट टेकिंग मेडिकेशंस एट ऑल. सो दैट वाज अ प्लस पॉइंट फॉर अस एज वेल. सो ब्लड रिपोर्ट्स माइनर चेंजेस उनके लिपिड एंड डायबिटिक प्रोफाइल में थे, बट दैट वाज अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ द साइड इफेक्ट ऑफ द मेडिकेशंस एंड नथिंग एल्स. सो if we see the changes, majorly, like I mentioned, the first and foremost priority was protein and fat. I will explain it in the mechanism as well. And no drastic changes in the diet because adapt करना उनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता था. Along with that, if you see the supplementation, I added omega-3, vitamin C, magnesium for better sleep quality, whey protein, creatine, and multivitamin. So let's see the mechanisms. ओमेगा 3 वाई बिकॉज न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी एंड इन्फ्लेमेशन रिड्यूस करने के लिए हेल्प कर रहा था, along with that nerve signaling and muscle coordination for his recovery. Then if we see vitamin C, it was helping him repair his tissues, collagen synthesis करने के लिए काम कर रहा था, and also reducing his oxidative stress, which is actually very crucial for healing and immune support after a neurological injury. Magnesium majorly neuromuscular transmission and muscle relaxation both by providing a better sleep quality for him. तो क्रैम्प्स अगर उनको आते थे तो वो उनके कम हो चुके थे. देन मेजर स्लीप का जो इशू, वन टाइम स्लीप उनको एकदम से नहीं आती थी, तो वो हमने धीरे धीरे उनका इंक्रीज होते हुए देखा था ओवर द स्पैन ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 6 months इन अ रो. वे प्रोटीन मेजरली फास्ट एब्जॉर्बिंग अमाइनो एसिड्स है विच विल डेफिनेटली सपोर्ट द मसल रिपेयर, prevent the muscles from wasting because in his case it was happening very frequently because of very low movement and activity, and definitely aid strength and regain basically due to in his rehabilitation. Creatine muscle energy availability, ATP generate karna, improving muscle function, strength and recovery during the physiotherapy plus the resistance training which he was inculcating in his routine. मल्टीवाइटामिन मेजर स्पेसिफिक समथिंग लाइक B12 से लेके B3, B1 एंड B2. Guys, just yeah. So that majorly covers micronutrient gaps essential for nerve function, energy metabolism, and overall recovery when dietary intake may be inconsistent. So I would just like every one of you to go through the starting point of his weight training and what he has come up till now. Just give it a read. I will stop you for 1 minute. Okay, I'm taking it ahead. Yes. So we were currently in the enhancement phase where he had to stop for a while. So we will be continuing with the optimal performance going forward. So majorly, I would love if you guys give this a read as well. Stopping here for half a minute. And the next goal for him is majorly now working towards fat loss. So these were the colorful meals which Sir was having, is having for that matter. So if you see, there's compulsory a one protein source present in every meal. दो वो थोड़ा हल्का चीट भी अगर कर रहे हैं उसके साथ वो प्रोटीन मिस बिल्कुल नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो दिस एक्चुअली डिफाइंस अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट का सेंटेंस प्रॉपरली कि प्रोटीन एक्चुअली हेल्प्स यू in every step of life. And that is actually a really important statement to put forth. So, this was the first nutrition plan, and this is the one after the break. So, major difference मैंने बहुत रखा नहीं था, but if you see energy wise बहुत उनको कंटेम्पलेट करना है, फिर कुक करना थोड़ा सा आसान. एक दो मैंने उनको ऑप्शंस इजी दिए थे, एक दो ऑप्शंस उनको मैंने वन पॉट मील टाइप में दिए थे, एक दो ऑप्शंस मैंने उनको स्पेसिफिक उनके पसंद के हिसाब से दिए थे. एंड आई हैड पुट एक्चुअली अ प्री एंड पोस्ट वर्कआउट बिकॉज एनर्जी उनका जल्दी क्रैश हो जाता था. तो ही यूज टू हैव एग्स बिफोर एंड आफ्टर ऑल्सो फॉर हिज व्हेन ही यूज टू कम फॉर हिज वर्कआउट. So he used to have almost 3 eggs to 4 eggs whites, not with like not the full egg, before like 40 minutes prior to his workout timing. His workout timing is 10 a.m. by the way. So he used to have the first meal at 8:30. He used to come for his workout. यहाँ से जाने के बाद he used to have whey protein and उसके साथ और एक full egg, and then he used to have his lunch later on. बिकॉज बॉडी रिकवरी स्टेट में बहुत टाइम से थी, उनको बहुत जल्दी भूख लगती थी एंड उतना उनको खाना पड़ता था बिकॉज अदरवाइज ही यूज टू क्रैश. सो दिस वॉज अबाउट इट. थैंक्स अ लॉट गाइज.